Welcome to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. Winter can be brutal, and the last place you want to be is stuck unprepared. So here are the top 7 things you should always keep in your car this winter, counting down to the most important one. Number 7. A shovel and some traction aid like kitty litter, sand, or salt. If your wheels spin on ice or deep snow, this could be the difference between stuck and saved. Number 6. A flashlight with extra batteries. Winter nights are long, and if you're stranded in the dark, a light can guide you and keep you safe. Number 5. Non-perishable snacks and bottled water. If traffic stops or you're stuck for hours, having something to eat and drink can keep you comfortable. Number 4. A first aid kit. Even small cuts or scrapes need quick attention, especially when you're far from help. Number 3. Jumper cables or a booster pack. Cold kills car batteries, and this could be your lifeline to get back on the road fast. Number 2. A warm blanket or extra layers of clothing. If your heater fails or you're waiting for help, staying warm is crucial. And number 1. A snow brush and ice scraper. The simplest but most important tool. If you can't see, you can't drive safely. Clear your windows before hitting the road. These 7 essentials can make winter driving safer and less stressful. Don't wait until it's too late. Pack them today. And remember, your car takes care of you if you take care of it. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here, and share this with someone who drives in the snow.